Is mole removal painful? Well, the local anaesthetic stings a bit, and I wouldn't say it's painful. It does sting a little bit, so you have to have local anaesthetic to remove the mole, so that stings. So once that's in, that's fine. So just that stingy bit at the beginning. I think the worst bit's the thought of it, to be honest with you, because often it's quite stressful, the thought of it. But it does sting a little bit. Certainly, if it's around the face, around the nose, places like that, a bit sore. Can sort of sometimes bring a tear dry. But once it's in, it's like going to the dentist. It's like that. But once the local's in, you should be fine. And then you just feel movement. You don't feel anything painful. And then when you have it done, a lot of people worry that when the local anaesthetic wears off, they're going to be suddenly hit by pain. Not strictly true, because the painful things are doing it, and the local anaesthetic covers you for that. So the thing I do tell people that when the local wears off is that sometimes you get a bit of bleeding because the local anaesthetic's got adrenaline. So when the adrenaline wears off, you can get a bit of bleeding. So that's something to be aware of, because sometimes if you have a mole removal or something like that, and then you go home and then it's bleeding when you get home when it wasn't earlier, sometimes people think, what's going on there? That's not right. But it's just the fact that the adrenaline's worn off. But when the local wears off, it's just a bit sore, and so just normal painkillers, paracetamol, stuff like that. So usually not too bad.